playing piano. Let's see who's. Let's go check where's my delivery. Let's go. Oh, it's arrived. Let me see who's it. Hello. Oh, delivery. Okay, I'm coming right now. Daddy, let's go and get our delivery.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I received my delivery. Look, it's here.
Oh, what you got?
I don't know, but somebody ordered it for me for my birthday.
Okay, let's take a look on it. What do you have?
Yeah.
Can you help me open it because it's going? Remember, I just said I couldn't remember last time I cut my finger. That was your.
Oh yes, that is not safe, right?
Yeah, but can you
So
help
kids
me?
are not touching the knife, correct?
Yeah, I
Definitely,
remember.
I can help you.
Yeah.
Knife is not safe for the kids, correct?
Yeah, I remember. I said
Beautiful.
it to everybody in my dream. I just hear it in my dream.
Oh, you gotta tell to your friends that knife is not safe.
Yeah.
So talk to your friends.
Guys, knife is super bad. Remember, you hear my dad said? He said knives are really dangerous. Remember in the other video I told you something? If you cut your knife like this, you're going to feel badly. Like remember I cut my finger last time? It hurts really much, but look. See? My mic is arrived. So let's
What you got?
It's my mic arrived. It's my mic. Wow, my mic. And see what's inside. Oh, right. No. Yeah, cool. I really need that. That's really fun. And you see the clip?
Oh, it has a clip. So you can pull maybe like this, probably. Correct?
Yeah. And you see it?
Looks nice. What's this? Oh, I think this is the Bluetooth, right? So maybe it goes on your phone.
Yeah.
Oh, it has also a charger.
Yeah, you put
Looks
it.
great, eh?
Yeah, you connect it inside. So you can speak loud. Real loud.
Okay. And then next time when you make video
Yeah.
for your YouTube channel, you're gonna use this,
Yeah.
and then your friend can hear you clearly, right?
Yeah.
That sounds
See,
good.
If you watch my other video, and I can speak loudly, and you can hear me clear. So thank you for watching my video. And you see this? This is for your phone. You connect it, and you get a charger, and put it inside of the microphone, and that's for the phone. And you can speak loudly when you go to your mic, and you put inside it. You can speak really loud, and you can sing really loud and speak to everybody loud. And click the bell button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. And remember,